And so funerals come in style. If you are poor, then you won't see this. Here are tents for somebody who is very rich. Now we have the red carpets. Yeah, we have everything organized in a way to enhance the final send-off. Now you can see everything in style. If you are a poor man, would you have all that? No. So remember, how you live and how you're buried depends on who you are. Yeah. Now look at that. That is a tent for cooking, preparations are made. The other one there for meals, and that for sitting.